Hello friends, it's Miss Audra again. Today we're going to work on counting using farm animals. We can do this activity together. If you've already got your packet, go ahead and get out this paper and a crayon, pencil, marker, whatever you have to write with. And we can count and do this whole page together, just like we would if we were at school. So let's start up here with this animal. What's that animal called? That's right, it's a horse. So with the horse, how many horses do we see? 9, 4, or 1? That's right, 1. So we're going to color in the 1. Try and stay inside the box when you're coloring and fill out all the blank spaces. Now, what is this animal? Right, cows. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Let's count the cows. 1, 2. Where's the 2? There it is. Let's color in the 2 together. Now, if I start moving too fast, you can always pause this video to give your child a chance to catch up. What's this animal? Pigs. Let's oink like pigs. Oink, 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 oink. Count the pigs. 1, 2, 3. Let's find the 3. There it is. Color in your 3. What are these? Chickens and a rooster. Can you cock-a-doodle-doo? Oh, what a great cock-a-doodle-doo you have. Let's count the chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many chickens? 4. Let's color in the 4. Oh, that's right, sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sheep. Tell me when I touch the 5. There it is. What are these? Baby chicks. That's right, let's count the baby chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your turn. Find the 6 on your paper. That's right, it's right here. There's the 6. Bunny rabbits. Can you hop like a bunny? Let's count the bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Find the 7. There it is. Oh, little mice. Let's count the mice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find the 8. There's the 8. Racetrack 8. And the last animal on our page today is a kitty cat. Can you meow like a cat? Oh, you are such wonderful little kitty cats. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.